In this video, I'm going to show you how to change languages on an iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up settings. Once you open up your settings, type in language in the search bar and then click on the first one, language and region. And here you will see everything you need for this to work. So as you can see, you have your preferred languages, and if you want, you can add a language and then choose whatever. And then you need to make sure that the language you want iPhone to use, that it's the first one. So if I put it here, it's going to tell me that applying this setting will restart your phone, which means the creation will be added as a language. And that's it. Same goes for your keyboard. Just type in keyboard, general keyboard. You can go to keyboards and add new one right there. So yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments down below if this helped you out, and see you in the next video.